Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for the last pantry staple recipe, we are making a Cuban black bean recipe. Really easy, just a few ingredients and you are ready to go. So if you guys love these pantry staple recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna do is saute our vegetables. So I've got an onion here, a few garlic cloves that I've minced up, and a little bit of red bell pepper. So I've got my soup pan here, my small pan or pot. I'm gonna saute these for a good 5 to 6 minutes until it's nice and soft. All right, so this looks good. I like kind of getting it to this point because you see all that stuck to the bottom of the pan. It is amazing flavor. So I'm gonna deglaze it by adding some water. Oh yes, and you can see all of it just came right off. And that is such good flavor. Okay, so added my water. I'm gonna add in a little bit of cilantro. Love cilantro. And then also some spices over here. So I've got a bay leaf, one big bay leaf that I'm gonna add, and then some spices here, salt, pepper, got a little bit of Italian seasoning, cumin, and a little bit of smoked paprika. Add that in. And then a tiny bit of red wine vinegar. Maybe a tiny bit more. And then the star of the show, some black beans. And I am not gonna drain it. I'm gonna put the entire thing because it adds such good creaminess to this dish. There you go. And then you're just gonna let this simmer for about 10-15 minutes and then I'll share with you what it looks like. All right, that looks perfect. It's been about 15 minutes. And you can see everything is nice and just melted, nice and creamy, perfect to top off rice with. So I have a little bowl here, just gonna add a little bit just to do a taste test. Let it cool down because this is extremely hot. And then I'll let you guys know what it tastes like. The beans are perfectly cooked and I like mine really oniony, so I added a lot of onions and I like to keep them whole, but if you don't, another option is to blend the onion, red bell pepper, cilantro, and the garlic all together, and then you'll have a nice puree that you then add your beans to. But this is delicious, so easy, perfect for right now. And it takes like under 20 minutes. So if you guys love these easy recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.